as I told you earlier, that after mixing your batter, your sugar, everything, the reason why I'm not able to show you the whole full video is because I don't have somebody who will help me to hold the camera. But very soon we will fix that. So this now, if you really want to know how, you want to have all the full video, just check my description. You will see all my videos there. So look at it. I've mixed it already. This is how your dough will be looking like. This is how your dough should look like for your chin chin. Remember all the things I added. I use this corn flour, I use this honey, and all of this you are seeing, I used it. And I forgot to explain this. This is milk flavor, so I also used it on it. So just like as if you are mixing your cake batter, that is how you mix this batter for this chin chin. Remember I said it's a new recipe, so I'm trying a new recipe. So I'll tell you how it went. Okay, after frying the chin chin, I'll tell you how it looks like. I pray it comes out well. Thank you. I will start cutting. So cut like this way, because I'm sorry, because I'm using one hand. Guys, so this is the chin chin. I'm done with it and it's looking so beautiful. It's looking yummy, it's sweet, and it is crunchy, very bright golden brown at the same time. Don't mind the camera, it is the camera that is giving it that dark color, but I tell you the truth, it is very bright. I will snap it with another phone and paste it on my page, so you see it also there. So this is how it looks like, very crunchy.